Hi Tahalia. Hello my baby. Today is February 8, 2017 and it's your first birthday. And I saw all the pictures in McDonald's Session Road. I saw Mama, my brothers, my kids, si Nanay, si Zen, and so many guests. So I'm very pleased na marami kang mga guests ngayon. Kaya andyan din mga Batang Mankayan, Batang Lipanto, sila Uncle Wasmir, Uncle Ken, Ate Erika, Ate Ember, si Nanay, si Maureen, si Zen, si Vanji, and many more. Kaya nakaraos ng birthday mo. My wish to you is I'm here in Saudi Arabia. I'm 6,000 miles away from you, baby. So my wish is may God bless and keep you always. May all your wishes come true. And may you stay forever young. I love you, Tahalia. Mwah!